Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So we are currently on a road trip to go and see the 33 road where the current governor of Anambra State recently commissioned. Let's go and show you guys what the place is currently looking like and where the dualization will start and stop. So guys, we started this filming just after the Onitsha rivalry. So right now we are heading, or maybe around that Onitsha GRA. That is where we are currently are. So from here we will bus out to the 33 road, then head down to the 33 junction. So guys, just bear with me in this video, as some of the video you are seeing, some part of it will be black. Is the cause of it is the windscreen of the keke that I entered. They use sticker on the screen, something like that. So and also before I was I made this video, I did not go through some of the the document that was released about the dualization of this particular route. So initially I was thinking that the dualization will start from where we are going to bus out now, then down to 33 junction, but to my greatest surprise, the dualization we head down to Subwe, I think in Subwe Aguleri Road, Magazine Junction and the Y Junction, something like that. So when I go through the website of Anambra State Broadcasting Service also, that's when I saw the the full details of about the dualization. So the dualization was recently commissioned by the current governor of Anambra State. So, and they said very soon construction will start from the Magazine Junction down to Y Junction. So Y Junction is around there. After that 33 junction, then you head down to Y Junction. That is where you find you find the road that will lead you to Y Junction, and from that Y Junction you can head down to Nkwede Junction, the popular Nkwede Junction. So right now we are already at the 33 road. So initially this road is very, very bad. Like currently the road is very, very bad. Not initially, the road is very, very bad as we speak, dilapidated and very, very congested when you are looking at it. And to add insult to injury, police people also do search checking point around here, causing another heavy traffic. Like this one you are watching that I just filmed now is caused by police, but it's not that they are there 247. They will just stay maybe few hours and they will leave again and come back maybe next time. So they are part of the thing that's even causing hold up around that area. So the dualization was flagged off by the Soludo government, and there is a welcome development, because honestly people pass through here along this road when going to their work and when coming back. The road is a bit dry now because I visited here in the afternoon. That is why the road is a bit dry. So if you come here around the evening time, traffic will be choked up here. In the morning, the same thing, when people are going to work and when they are returning, that is when this thing do happen. So this dualization, according to the statement released online, they say the dualization construction will last for 18 months and is expected to cost around 15.9 billion naira. That is the what I saw on their website. It will take a period of 18 months and the cost will be 15.9 billion. That is what they said it will cost. So once they start the dualization, we'll mark the dates and then be looking ahead if they will actually complete it in 18 months like they said. For the the amount of money they called, I'm not an engineer, so I can't really tell if it exceed what they talked or it is below. So for that one I don't have anything to say. So we are just showing you the current looks of 33 road down to 33 junction, so that when the dualization starts we'll also be giving you full update concerning it. So this area really need the dualization, even though merely looking at everywhere you will see that A lot of work will be done here, and again a lot of demolition will be done. Sincerely speaking, a lot of demolitions will be done around here to achieve that aim they wish on doing here, something like that. So the next thing I want to chip in this video before I will cut it off is if you are looking for a very calm environment to stay, maybe you don't like noise, this part of Onitsha and its environs is recommended for you, because it holds the GRA, holds the housing estate, holds the Nkwere estates, and different other estates that is located around here. Even around Umife and College Road, you can find different estates. Even around that 33 junction, another estate is there, very very quiet and serene environment. So you can consider here if you are looking for a very quiet environment to stay. The only problem they are currently having here is their bad road, and I wish to also state this and commend those who are making this possible. You know, for some people you expect that for the fact they have GRA here, have housing estates, and also Nkwere estates, many other, you know, super hotels and the rest, that here will be very very expensive. But no, is actually affordable depending on the type of apartment you are looking for. If you head towards that Courage Road, you can still find a very affordable apartment from a room and parlor that will be given to you around 400, 300, 250, 350. Honestly, it is very very affordable. Even inside the Transinkis, you can still find a very affordable apartment, unlike in Asaba. If you go to Asaba, as I'm speaking to you, the prices of apartment is busy rising up and down in Asaba. It's not like they have a major business in Asaba that is fetching people money. No, but apartment is busy increasing, and they don't even care, including their agent. Agent will be taking extra 300k from you to rent an apartment of 120k. Once you get to the one that is around 200 or 250, they will be calling you 500,000. Like, I don't know where is the conscience of we the humans, honestly. Like, the thing is busy rising every blessed day. Nobody is talking, nobody is even saying anything about it, and they said Asaba is land filled with. I'm not trying to downgrade Asaba. Asaba is a very beautiful city, but the rate at which landlord and agent are increasing the prices of apartment is uncalled for, honestly. At least, what is Asaba like? You need to check up the businesses they have in Asaba. What are they actually doing that will warrant you to keep increasing prices of apartments that way? As if where you buy your own cement or blocks are different from or where others are buying theirs. I don't understand. In Asaba, if you find this kind of location in Asaba, it will be very very expensive. But in Onitsha, every newly developing area in Onitsha will be as cheap as whatever you can think of, because people are not yet moving there, so it will be very very cheap until that place is properly developed. But in Asaba, the reverse is the case. In short, every new development with a very extremely bad road in Asaba is as like expensive and as what you can think of, very very expensive. Honestly, I plan on making a full video concerning that, sincerely, because it's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. In Onitsha holds a very large market. One of the biggest markets you can find in West Africa is in Onitsha. But rooms are still affordable here, honestly. Guys, let me leave that topic. So we are currently at the 33 junction. The one I showed you will take you to the Y junction. This one will take you to the college in Subwe College, and this is the 33 junction. This is where we are coming from. So guys, kindly subscribe to our channel and stay put till we come back again, and as we'll be bringing you more updates. Thanks and bye.